This is why you need pad thai in your life. Spoiler alert, it's got a royal twist. It all started in the 1930s when Thailand's prime minister wanted a national dish to promote Thai nationalism. Enter pad thai. Legend has it, the first recipe was crafted right in the prime minister's kitchen. So, how did they whip up the first pad thai? Picture this: rice noodles stir-fried with tamarind paste, fish sauce, dried shrimp, tofu, garlic, and sprinkled with peanuts. Add a dash of bean sprouts and a squeeze of lime, and voila, a masterpiece was born. Cooking pad thai is like conducting a flavorful orchestra. First, stir-fry the garlic and tofu, then toss in the noodles and tamarind mix. Finally, top it off with peanuts and bean sprouts for that perfect crunch. Hungry for more tasty tales? Hit that like button, drop a comment, share with your foodie friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Cravery in the Kitchen. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.